A self-motivated team leader, with excellent confidence and commitment. The Great Mentors warmly invites Ms. Nilaja Patil, Principal, GEI'S Blossom International School. Ms. Nilaja is experienced in facilitating, coaching students by using interactive discussions and hands-on approaches to help students learn and apply concepts in subjects. Ms. Nilaja knows use of different techniques and tools of educating teachers, students for effective and efficient teaching and learning. Ms. Nilaja performed leading role of E-Secretary in state level, Vigyan Sammelan, in Dombivli along with core organizing committee. She has expertise in online education planning, teachers training, its follow-ups and its implementation in terms of teaching learning process. Ms. Nilaja is well versed with CBSE documentation, school affiliation and OASIS work of CBSE, designing, developing and customizing training programs and teaching curriculum for the students. Ms. Nilaja won the Nation Builder Award from Rotary India Literacy Mission and many other awards.